Hello. Welcome back. CANNABEARD here. How y'all doing today? I am going to do a little unboxing video of the HIGROW light that I just got. So let's get into it. Alrighty, folks. Here it is. The HIGROW 600 watt optical light. Let's crack this bad boy open. It's a box in a box. Hope it's not Inception in like another box inside. I mean, that's good for shipping purposes. Well protected. That's good news. So here we go. So we got the user manual. Talks about stuff, things, whatever. We got nice cord. We got some good looking hanging hardware. Maybe I had that cord out of the way, but there you go. No big deal. And then we got the actual light itself. Here, let's get it right out of their plastic. Kick everything out of the way. And there we go. The optics, those optical lenses, man. Fancy. Yeah, looking good. And there we got the veg and the bloom switches. Well, there we go. Got some power on it. So let's do just the, get my arm under it like that, just the veg. Holy crap. Whoa. Okay, that was just the veg. Oy. And then here's just the bloom. Whoa. Now here's both. Pow. Yeah, that's absolutely blinding. But what's amazing about this is it does produce a bit of a pink light. And it's too powerful, but I've done a little testing with this HIGROW series, and they're good for photography. If you're one of those growers that wants to take pictures, this might be a good option for you. Anyway, 600 watts, baby. Ding! I'm actually using this light in a 3x3 tent that I'm going to be teaching us other Canadians how to grow 4 plants in a little series I'm starting on my channel. So make sure you're subscribed and heck, like this video. Why not, right? And but make sure you're subscribed and turn on that bell notification, and you'll be notified right when I upload a new video about my growing series. So right on. See you soon. Cheers.